Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, DC-in module, and thermal module. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the card reader board. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the right edge of the card reader board off of the alignment pins, slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the top cover, and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the card reader board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.